Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Live Photo in the Camera app because that captures motion plus audio for each shot. Open Camera, choose Photo Mode, and tap the Live Photo icon until it lights. This stores a short video around the still. Once done, make sure resolution and flash settings match your scene so the phone won't crop or disable the feature. You'll capture both a high-quality still and a 1-3-second motion clip. This is why Live Photo gives context that a normal photo cannot. You now focus on capturing and refining the live photo. Hold the phone steady and press the shutter. Short, deliberate taps avoid extra frames. After capture, tap the gallery thumbnail to review, swipe up to reveal live photo controls and a timeline where you can scrub frames. Then, trim start/end or choose a keyframe as the primary still so the image is exactly what you want. Because Live Photo stores multiple frames, this step lets you pick the best moment without reshooting. You finish by exporting and editing the live photo for sharing. Tap Share to save as a still, GIF, or short video depending on the recipient's compatibility. You can also apply filters, crop, or stabilize the clip in the Photos editor. This improves motion and color. If Live Photo won't record, reboot the phone, free up storage, and confirm camera permissions. Make sure the OS is updated because software bugs often block live capture. If problems persist, reset camera settings as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.